This is Rob from Backroads-N-Backwoods. Today I'm going to show you what I keep in my little packer box there. We're getting ready to head up north. We're going to Irons, Michigan this weekend. Do some riding with John and his wife Cassie and another couple. So I'll show you kind of what I carry when we hit the trails. So I'll start off, that box I got off of Amazon. It's a DZ box. Works well. It screws right down. I got it mounted. There's factory mounting holes in the bed. So we'll start off. Everybody needs tire stuff. So I got a 12-volt tire inflator, plug kit. I also got some little bungee cords in there. And heaven forbid you need it, but the dreaded fix-a-flat. I carry a can of that too, just for an emergency. And then tools. As far as tools go, I got this little ammo box here. It's got a whole array of stuff in there. Just some basic wrenches, some Allen sockets, razor knife, vice grips, screwdrivers, channel locks, just that kind of goodies. So I keep that. I also keep a hammer and a pry bar. This is kind of far here for you. And then I also carry a little socket set. It's just a 3/8 drive little socket set. Not a big one. Just a little kit. It's a nice little kit. It's got a little spinner handle and a bunch of stuff. And then also this DeWalt kit. It's got just a nut driver bit set. It's got a bunch of stuff in there. Works well with what else I got. So, and I carry this little bag full of wire, terminal ends, butt connectors, crimpers, stuff like that. It's got some fuses in there. Gotta have toilet paper. And if you gotta use a bathroom, you gotta have something to clean your hands. And then I carry a little bag of rags. Just a little 1-inch ratchet strap. Never know. Some deep woods off. Gotta have jumper cables. This is a 30-foot strap. And then this one's like a little 7 or an 8-foot strap. Heaven forbid you gotta use a snatch block. A little shackle to go with it. If you gotta wrap that around a tree, and use it like a tree saver. You can put snatch block to it if you're really stuck. I just carry a cheap rain suit and also just a machete. That's pretty much what I carry. Got to put it all back together, and I've had to use almost everything in here at one point or another. So, oh, and I can't forget, got the squeegee. The squeegee's a must-have. You get moisture on the inside of your windows and stuff. I got a wiper kit on mine, but a lot of guys don't. I bought that at the local grocery store. It's a great tool. So that's what I got, guys. You guys, thanks for watching. Remember, ride right, ride safe, ride sober. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. I know I've been really busy. I haven't had a chance to get no videos in, but just keep watching. I appreciate it. Thank you.